Hi, I'm Tyler from TELUS, and today I'm answering the question, what do I do if my smoke detector is in tamper status? This is the alert you'll see if your smoke detector is in tamper status. You'll have a notification that says what time the tamper happened. Also, if you check the Smart Home app, you'll see another notification that lets you know your smoke detector has been tampered. A tamper indicates that the cover was removed from the device. So make sure the cover of your smoke detector is attached securely. If the smoke detector looks like it's in place, your best bet is to take it off its mounting plate and put it back on and see if that resolves the issue. Firmly grasp the smoke detector and twist to the left to take it off of its mounting plate. Find the notch on the smoke detector mounting plate and place the notch on the smoke detector itself just slightly to the left of it. Twist the smoke detector to the right and line up the notches, and your smoke detector will be mounted securely. You can now go back to your panel or Smart Home app and double check to see if the tamper has been cleared. Once the tamper's been cleared, you can also clear the notification by tapping on the notification icon, and you can acknowledge and clear your smoke detector tamper status. And that's it. I'm Tyler, and thanks for watching.